The world's scientific community is in agreement that our planet is becoming warmer. And one of the main factors of global warming is industrial activity. Scientists agree that the release of gases that prevent the dissipation of ground heat into space, a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect, is responsible. Part of the ISO 14000 family of standards on environmental management is the ISO 14001, which is a voluntary standard that organizations can apply for certification after a stringent evaluation process. What makes TBS International stand out is that we believe protecting our environment is our responsibility, and in doing so, we have achieved our greatest accomplishment by being recognized as an ISO 14001 registered company. We at TBS International believe that it is our responsibility to support our planet through ethical industrial activities, and in doing so, have resorted to changes within the company to reduce our carbon footprint. TBS International is a company dedicated to serving its clientele with unique and tailor-made yarn blends with an unsurpassed and a continuous overall service support, which has resulted in long-lasting business relationships purely due to trust and product reliability. Because of this, TBS International has ensured that sustainability would always be of utmost importance within the company and has contributed immensely to the cause. One of the contributions includes the switch of non-renewable energy to renewable energy in the form of solar power. The total electricity consumption of our factory amounts to 1.2 million units per year. Whereas after our switch to solar power, we generated a staggering 800,000 units of electricity annually, which covers nearly 66% of our annual electricity requirement. Additionally, our facility is equipped with motion sensors that detect the presence of movement. So if an area is not occupied by someone, the lights will automatically switch off so that there is no consumption of electricity unnecessarily. Taking pride in this achievement, we at TBS International decided to take things a step further and implement the use of reusable yarn cones. Cardboard was previously being used to make yarn cones, whereas we realized that a more reusable cone could be made with non-single-use plastics. Our total consumption of cardboard cones amounted to 1,100,000 annually, which is about 127.6 tons of cardboard. Did you know that 24 trees need to be cut down to make 1 ton of cardboard cones? This means over 3,062 trees are cut down annually just for our requirement. This should be stopped, as we needed to ensure our carbon footprint would not affect the future generations. TBS International switched to reusable plastic cones, which are eco-friendly and helped reduce the negative impact on our environment. Our ultimate goal in using plastic cones is to promote sustainability and to be environmentally responsible. Each of these plastic cones could be used up to 20 times, whereas cardboard cones could only be used twice. Moreover, plastic cones are not only reusable, but recyclable as well. Durable, resistant, efficient, and weatherproofed plastic yarn cones have been one of our greatest accomplishments in achieving eco-sustainability. Our customers are encouraged to return plastic cones which are used, so that they may be used once again and also recycled. This initiative is part of our plan to work hand in hand with our customers to create a greater impact and also spread the message of sustainability. Working together for a greater cause, we invite our customers to help us in our aspiration to create a difference in our world one step at a time. TBS International, your trusted partner for textile yarn solutions. Join us in our efforts to create a greener and sustainable world for our future generations.